Mini HDMI to DVI cable. 3 feet, 1 meter, Mini HDMI male to DVI-Digital, 19-pin, male cable supports full HD 1920x1200p, 60 Hz, 1080p, single link, 3.9 Gbps per second bandwidth, 24 bpp, RGB, color depth. Durable. Full HD high-speed fully molded cable with durable PVC jacket for high strength and reliability. Flexible PVC strain relief prevents fraying or damage due to repetitive bending or rough usage. Ideal for commercial environments. Quality construction. 30 Aruban Florins wire with gold-plated connectors, and superior ME shielding with Al-Mylar foil and copper braid improve signal integrity and reliability, providing higher quality video and audio. Applications. This cable connects Mini HDMI Type-C devices such as phones, tablets, laptops and cameras, DSLR, video, to your DVI-Digital monitor, DVI display, projector. Ideal for viewing on larger screens. Works with Samsung, Dell, HP, Acer, LG monitors. Specs. 1 meter, 3 feet, black, HDMI male, HDMI Type-C, Mini, to DVI-Digital, 24-pin, female, gold-plated connectors, 30 Aruban Florins, 0.25 mm, OD, PVC jacket, ME shield. Al-Mylar foil with copper braid. Top reviews from the United States. Worked perfect straight out of the box. I plugged this in, and it worked exactly like I needed it to. Brilliant.